प्लीज टेक योर सीट नाउ।
आज मैं कहना चाहती हूँ मैडम,
डोंट आंसर।
जब इस घटना के बारे में मैंने सार्वजनिक बयान दिया,
नथिंग विल गो ऑन रेकॉर्ड,
तब मैंने कहा
ओनली मिनिस्टर
कि इसको जाति की नजर से मत देखो। मैंने एक बच्चे की बात की, एक दलित छात्र की बात नहीं की। मैं चुनौती देती हूं, कोई भी मुझे उंगली उठाकर कहे कि मैंने जाति के आधार पर न्याय करने का या अन्याय करने का दुस्साहस किया। मेरा नाम स्मृति ईरानी है, चुनौती देती हूं, मेरी जात क्या है बताकर देखिए। नहीं बता सकते। और मैं आक्रोशित आज महोदय इसलिए हूं क्योंकि जो जन्म देती है उस पर तुम खून का इल्जाम लगाओ तो वो स्वाभाविक है कि टूट जाए अंदर से। आई एम टेकिंग इट पर्सनली सर, आई एम टेकिंग इट पर्सनली। आई टेल यू व्हाई। कैसे इस्तेमाल किया इस बच्चे का, उसका आज प्रमाण देती हूं। केसीआर जी को मैंने फोन किया सुबह, जैसे ही मेरे पास घटना की सूचना आई। उनकी सरकार है, मात्र ये गुहार लगाने के लिए कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन ना हो, मदद कीजिए मेरी, क्योंकि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर स्टेट का विषय है। मुझे क्या कहा गया, साहब बिजी हैं, अभी बात नहीं कर सकते। मैंने सार्वजनिक बयान नहीं दिया, रिकॉर्ड पर है मेरा कॉल। उनकी पुत्री से भी मैंने इसका उल्लेख किया। मैंने कभी सार्वजनिक बयान नहीं दिया मुख्यमंत्री जी के खिलाफ। सोचा व्यस्त होंगे, लेकिन आज तक उनके कॉल का इंतजार कर रही हूं, नहीं आया। So, sir, allow me to finish. Allow me to finish. Now let me, madam. मुझे जो जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है, उसे ओवैसी साहब और मैं गुहार लगा रही हूं मदद की कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर। मैं गुहार लगा रही हूं मदद की कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर। आज मैं कहती हूं, और आप चेक कर लीजिए, आप चेक कर लीजिए कि पुलिस ने जो तेलंगाना के हाई कोर्ट में दस्तावेज दिए हैं उसमें क्या लिखा गया है। उसमें यह लिखा गया है कि पुलिस को सूचना शाम को 7:20 को मिलती है। उसमें यह लिखा गया है कि जब पुलिस वहां पहुंचती है मौकाए वारदात पर, and I am quoting madam, my friends in Telangana can possibly have access to that document and verify it, and if I am wrong can correct me. पुलिस ये कहती है that when they rushed to the university, they found the room open, dead body removed from the hanging and kept on a table. A handwritten suicide note was written which did not blame anybody and specifically stated that nobody is responsible for this act. My request is, madam, this is not my submission, but that of the police in a state which is not politically.
She is not yielding.
I know, sir. That's why I'm saying, if I'm wrong, correct me.
No, nothing. What is it?
Had come, I personally was there. He was in a meeting. Immediately he called the intelligence IG, Mr. Shivdar Reddy. He told him to inquire about what has happened. After 15 minutes, the IG intelligence came and told about all this, and he also said that the mob is there. They are not allowing the body to be removed immediately. So he told them that to arrest Dattatreya so that the mob can be controlled, and then that this same matter, after that he wanted to contact you. You did not come at the same matter. He told Prime Minister ji, when he went and met him, he told him that Smriti ji has called up and we have taken action, and we have also gave instruction to arrest Dattatreya ji so that law and order could be controlled.
In his statement
so
itself,
we had totally,
in his statement, I know,
we
sir,
totally helped you, madam.
Sir,
we were with you.
Sir,
you cannot put an allegation on that.
In your statement
cannot
itself,
put an allegation.
Sir, in your statement itself, I respect you, sir. I've worked with you for years.
I'll tell you, KCR acted on a proper way.
Yes,
we had elections.
Allow me to
we had
finish.
GHMC elections.
Allow me to finish.
We did not put any allegation.
It is interesting.
Please take your seat.
It is interesting that in his statement in this very august house, he says, arrest Bandaru Dattatreya if you want to control a mob. not because he's guilty, but arrest him nonetheless because you want to control the mob. Now, let me read the letter. Let me read the letter. Let me read the letter. Let me also read what happened there, madam. Nobody allowed a doctor near this child to revive this child, to take him to the hospital. Nobody allowed a doctor near him. The police has, madam, reported, not one attempt was made to revive this child. Not one attempt was made to take him to a doctor. Instead, what was done? His body was used as a political tool, hidden. Hidden, no police allowed till 6:30 the next morning. Hidden, not me. Telangana police is saying this. When I say I'm pained, madam, कि एक बच्चे के दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बोलते हैं लोग, एक बच्चे की मृत्यु पर किस प्रकार से राजनीति हुई, यह उसका प्रमाण है। पुलिस वहां की सक्षम है न्याय करने के लिए, लेकिन 6:30 बजे तक कोई डॉक्टर इस बच्चे के पास नहीं गया, क्योंकि जो आवाज लगा रहे थे वो न्याय नहीं चाहते थे, राजनीति चाहते थे। किसने डिक्लेयर किया उस बच्चे को डेड? Who was medically equipped to declare this child dead? How many cases go when an individual tries to hang themselves, the vertebra does not break, pulse goes down to 30, 40, and an individual can be revived. Medically, there are people who are more expert. How many people? Who tried to help this child? My accusation today is this, madam. The people who passed a judgment to have this child disbarred are not people appointed by the BJP-led NDA, but by the Congress party. In everybody's political experience, have you ever seen Rahul Gandhi go to one spot twice? No. Never gone.
Never gone.
600 students died for the Telangana movement. Did he go once? He did not go once. But in this, he saw a political opportunity. This child, in his statement, says no one is responsible for my death. But yet, you seek to use this child for your own political ends. That is the tragedy. People,
What is this happening?
who espouse the cause, people who espouse the cause of free speech and attack this government, who say that we are anti-minority, anti-Dalit, anti-tribal, and time and again they have been requested, don't make this an us against them. I am not certifying your patriotism, but do not demean mine. I am not certifying your idea of India, but do not demean mine. And to them I say, this, Madam Speaker, is the permission slip from JNU, which clearly says that Umar Khalid, one student, wanted to book the venue from 5 o'clock to 7:30 for the 9th. The form asks, what is the purpose of booking the venue? He says, poetry reading. The form asks whether any special arrangements are required. He says, electricity for mic. And very well, the university gives him the permission. What transpires later is something many people have question marked. अरे ये झूठा है, वो झूठा है. तारिक अनवर साहब थे, उन्होंने कहा पहले यूनिवर्सिटी को तो अपनी तहकीकात करने दो, फिर पुलिस को आने दो. यूनिवर्सिटी के सुरक्षा विभाग का ये ब्यौरा है, मैडम स्पीकर, 11/2/2016 का, जिसमें 35 सुरक्षाकर्मी, 3 महिला गार्ड सिग्नेचर्स के साथ अपना बयान देते हैं. कहते हैं कि 16:45 सुरक्षा टीम मौका वारदात पर पहुंची. 35 और 3, 38 people. They have given a written response. They are a part of the security of the university, not the police. And they say, भीड़ बढ़ने लगी छात्र उमर अनिरबान वहीं खड़े रहे। अफजल गुरु मकबूल भट्ट जिंदाबाद। कश्मीर की आजादी तक जंग रहेगी, जंग रहेगी, भारत की बर्बादी तक जंग रहेगी। जिस कश्मीर को खून से सींचा वो कश्मीर हमारा है। हम क्या मांगे आजादी, बंदूक से लेंगे आजादी। गो इंडिया गो बैक, इंडियन आर्मी मुर्दाबाद। 2-3 और लोग थे, मुंह पर कपड़ा लगाए। ये कोई वीडियो नहीं है, ये कोई पुलिस नहीं है, ये कोई अर्नब गोस्वामी नहीं है, ये सुरक्षा विभाग का, जो सरकार से कोई सरोकार नहीं रखती, उनका ये ब्यौरा है। ऑफिस ऑर्डर निकलता है मैडम, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी, जिसमें मैं पढ़ रही हूं